people, una welcome back to my channel today. Soma don finally come out come speak for the first time after e break up with Angel, and also Fina, she don come out for a recent interview come talk about how unlucky she dey with relationship. So ever since the breakup between Soma and Angel, Angel just dey on im own since, and Angel just dey groove, dey enjoy herself. If you go for her Instagram story, you go see say the girl, she just dey ball, dey drink, dey party with her friends. She no even send anybody. The song wey be say she even put this night sef na this girl song, and Thames Free Mind, na im she just put for there. So everything wey anybody dey talk, all the insult, it is not for her. So I come out now to come make a big announcement say in dey partner with Runtown. Una know say Runtown na big musician for the Nigeria industry right now, and Soma is like him and Soma, they wan release a music together. For those of una wey no know, Soma na artist too and na upcoming. So him come for his social media handle come say when it's time you will know. He come zip him mouth. He come put emoji wey zip mouth. The fans come out to come show support. They come dey tell am say heartbreak got nothing on you. Some people come dey tell am say make e move on with him life. Person come out come show una say in dey try to do song with person. Instead of saying congratulations, everybody na the heartbreak and the breakup na they talk about. To me, Soma no look heartbroken because he look normal to me. Angel on the other hand, she looks normal to me. To me, I believe to say maybe this their breakup safe between the breakup between Angel and Soma na PRO for the Soma song where I wan drop, because all of a sudden he won't sing with Runtown. But whichever thing wey be say the soap, I wish Soma well and I wish Angel well. At least now Soma go face his life squarely, because since he come out I never see wetin Soma dey really do. So now he go dey focus, think of his life. Unto Fina matter, Fina for a recent podcast wey be say she do, she talk about how difficult it don be for her to get a stable relationship. According to her, she said that they try to play her local, say she has never been lucky when it comes to relationship with man ever since Groovy. Ever since Groovy, she never get any other stable relationship like that. Every record ask her say, okay, how far now? How you come to the cope? How you take the whole body, those type of things. So she can't say she get guys for her phone, maybe say she dey control whenever she wants that kind of thing. Because she say that na the reason why she dey tell herself say she for come this life as a man and not as a woman. And the truth be say, since after Groovy, she never really date anybody since after Groovy. No man anywhere. She say no mean to say people no dey toast her, say that she dey get toasters, but it just be to say she not just get luck with them. Make una lis ten to wetin she talk for una sef before I go read the comment under that post.
So since then, after Groovy, you never date anybody?
Yes.
So how you continue to survive for Lagos? Not tell me saying I'm mentioning and toys.
No, I don't do toys. I don't do toys.
So you dey vibe
So
once.
this is yes. Come on. I get guys for my phone normal.
When you feel your call, order. See pride though.
Do you get?
Yeah.
I don't. And guess what? It's not like it's no. I dey work and they always. They know they even get time. So anytime I just get personality. What's up? Come see.
You're wrong. Come. Fina, you are living the man's life.
Like that's the point. That's the point. That was why I said.
Cool.
I said I for be man. I for come life as man. Yes. And I don't even have time to be listening to plenty talks.
Talk like that.
And I never did lucky with relationships. All my relationships are always, and they always want invest in my relationship. And they always want get into the relationship. But unfortunately, the guys that they always deal with, the issues they always did. Like the previous one was a Muslim. Now because of religion.
Now make una separate.
They even deal with the girl self. I know I do now picture I can't see for social media.
For real.
So I've not really been lucky. I don't go through shaggies. So I don't want to say I be feminist. Don't be say I be feminist. Don't be say
get where men go break your ass, you go become feminist. That one not be true feminist. No. Now verse feminist, so inspire feminist.
The way they do me now, say like this now. I just feel if guy they toast me now.
Yeah.
As they talk, I don't estray you. I don't.
So now don't hear Fina now. The first person here can say, I can never take this girl seriously. You shame others for sleeping with men for money, but here you are doing the same for free. Even give them thanks for coming. Anyway, she's ever accused others of Anything she's ever accused others of is who she is. Remember that beauty saga now where we say Fina come and come call beauty Shukura, say when she dey sleep with different old daddies, all those type of things, she throw shade at beauty. Say so na that thing na come make people come dey talk say but you dey insult this girl, you dey insult other BBN girls say they dey sleep around, whereas your own na was pass, you dey sleep, dey even pay them, dey tell them thank you for coming. The truth be say this thing wey be say Fina talk na a lot of girls reality, but nobody go wan accept because since na online. A lot of women they are not lucky with when it comes to love, when it comes to relationship, and I saw the thing still be for guys too. Some guys, no matter how kind you are, no matter how good you are, most of them you know they see person wey be say go dey there for them, truly dey there for them without anything attached to it. If something even still dey attached to itself, e dey very difficult to even see person wey be say go fit be your spec, wey be say you and are just aligned, but God dey. The next person come say Fina still has love for Groovy though, cause the way she was blushing when she was talking about him. I hope one day they can at least be friends. I think they are friends now because two of them, we see two of them for the same confined space when Tasha bring them to go over for her house, and also Fina help Groovy promote his music. So I think two of them dey in the talking terms, even though say what be name Groovy never back, I mean, for Twitter. First come say that is why you are always angry at others. The next one come say I used to say social media is not real life and people think it's a joke. You come here to defend your faves and put them in a pedestal far above them in the name of hype. Meanwhile, in real life, nothing really dey. Truth is that most of these ladies are finding it hard to get true love in a good package as well, but their fans think it's the other way around. Being successful in life not really mean to say you will get good relationship. Most of the time I believe say good relationship na even luck safe. I hope Fina gets a man wey be say go love and respect her, but one thing wey be say I wan talk for this her matter be say Fina needs to calm down. Just hope Fina sometimes the things wey be say she dey talk, she go dey lis ten to herself before she dey talk. And this same Fina na come out come talk about how BBN girls dey do runs, all those type of things. See her now, she don come out come contradict herself. Now all these things now dey always bring drags for her. Not be say people hate her, but the things wey Fina dey talk sometimes she no dey reason her before she dey talk. The end of the day, if she calm down, I believe just say she go see a good man wey be say go love her for her. Una take care, una bye.